Have you ever wondered if the age-old mantra, "the more you work out, the better," holds true? It's a question that sparked debates and divided opinions in the fitness world. But what really happens to your body when you commit to daily workouts? Let me introduce you to Sarah, a determined fitness enthusiast on a quest for her dream physique. Driven by ambition and fueled by determination, Sarah plunges headfirst into a grueling daily workout regimen, eager to sculpt her body into perfection. At first, the results are promising. Sarah feels a surge of energy and a sense of accomplishment with each workout. But as time wears on, she begins to notice cracks in her once unyielding determination. Persistent fatigue, nagging injuries, and a plateau in progress leave Sarah questioning the wisdom of her relentless pursuit. Frustrated and disillusioned, she sets out to unravel the truth behind the allure of daily workouts. What Sarah discovers is a revelation that challenges everything she thought she knew about exercise. Contrary to popular belief, more isn't always better when it comes to working out. In fact, excessive training can take a toll on the body, leading to burnout, injury, and diminishing returns. But amidst the uncertainty, Sarah finds solace in the wisdom of balance, a delicate equilibrium between exertion and recovery, intensity and rest. For beginners, starting with 2 to 3 workouts per week proves optimal, allowing the body ample time to adapt and recuperate. As proficiency grows, the frequency and intensity of workouts can be gradually increased, but always with mindfulness and caution. For seasoned athletes, mastering the art of periodization, alternating between phases of intense training and strategic rest, is key to optimizing performance and preventing burnout. Ultimately, Sarah learns that true progress is not measured by the frequency of her workouts, but by the quality of her efforts. By embracing a holistic approach to fitness, one that prioritizes rest, recovery, and mindful movement, she unlocks the door to lasting success. So, the next time you lace up your sneakers or step foot in the gym, remember, it's not about how often you work out, but how wisely you train. With balance and mindfulness as your guiding principles, the path to fitness excellence lies within your grasp. And as Sarah's journey illustrates, the pursuit of fitness is not just about physical gains, but also about mental fortitude and emotional well-being. It's a journey of self-discovery and growth, one that transcends the confines of the gym and permeates every aspect of our lives. With that said, thank you for joining us on this exploration of the truth about daily workouts. Remember, fitness is not just a destination, but a lifelong journey. Until next time, may you find harmony in your pursuit of health and wellness.